So if we want to pull down BusyBox, you see we've got this script here. So if we run that, we will hopefully it will go off to the registry, have a look for something called BusyBox. Since we didn't pass in a tag, it's going to use the latest and it will pull it down. And we will see from here, it's using default tag latest, as we said before. We're pulling from this registry a little hash value there for the image itself. As it happened, I already have this image in my repository, so it's going to say it's already up to date. There is a chance that they have made some updates in the registry to the image that's up there, and if I pulled it down, it would pull down those changes. So as we can see, I've now got, or I should have, a copy of the BusyBox image, and we can check that by again having a look at another little script here to check for the images. Again, very simple, Docker images, and that will show us all the images that I have down on this repository here. So you can see here is a list of those. I mentioned about tags, so each of them, a lot of them are latest, but some of them I have given a version tag, the ID of the image, and in here we can have a look at the size. Now, what I have found, the main difference between the Windows and the Linux-based images are the Linux ones are a lot smaller than the Windows ones. So, for example, the SQL Server on 2016 Windows, even the 2017, you're looking at about sort of like 12, 13 gig in size. If we have a look at, let's just look at the latest one since it's most up to date. Microsoft MS SQL Server on Linux, and that is 1.4 gig. So size-wise, it was significantly smaller than the Windows. Now, a lot of that will be down to the actual OS it's running on. Even if it's running on Windows Core or something, it's going to be a fair size.